Hey guys, so we are playing some Tf2 today, and you know what, Tf2, sorry, I hit the mic again, of course. Can't be a video if I don't hit the mic. So, we are going to try and make it. We have 10 more XP. We're going to try and make it, but we're going to try this game mode. Yeah. Start search. Okay. So, who thinks I'm gonna make it to level 8 today? I mean, it might be pretty hard, it might not be pretty hard, who knows? Who knows? Who knows, guys? Nobody knows anything. No, Tf. No, I'm just kidding. I'm sorry if you hear my mom vacuuming. Actually, I'm going to go close the door right now. Alright, sorry about that, guys. But, yeah. So, we are going to get into this. We are going to start playing right now. I'm just kidding. We are not going to start playing. Oh, my God. I tried to record a video with my friend earlier, but, I went over the footage and I was about to publish the video, and it turns out that you couldn't hear him in the video, you could only hear me, and that would sound really weird, because I'd be like, yo, what's up, and no response, so, yeah, that was pretty weird, but, oh, okay, let's go, okay, so, I don't really know who to play in this game mode. I mean, there's a scout in the front. There's a scout in the front. Okay, hold on. One second, my, oh shoot, why do I always hit the mic? I'm sorry, guys. Alright, there we go, okay. I'll have to edit that part out, because that was some copyright issues there. What the frick? Whoa. Holy frick, that's in 30 seconds. Ow! Ow! Oh, did you guys just see that? Did you guys just see that? Dang, this music is catchy. I can still make it there. Ah! Never mind. Ow! Ow! Ow, I'm bleeding! Help! Ow! Oh, what are you talking about? What the heck is going on? Wait, what is this game mode? I don't get the point of this. What? Oh, you have to push the wall. What? Alright, this is a scout game. This is the scout game. Oh! They have to carry the ball. Oh, it's a mine, and you have to carry the mine to the other side. Okay. You guys just see that kill? What the heck is this? What the? Sorry if this is just a super fight game. Where's the ball? Ow! Oh. Ow, guys. Holy cow. That was madness. That was complete madness. And I'm sorry if I don't have the energy, but I've been up. But I have been up. Okay, no, I cannot take on it. Uh-oh. My headphones died, guys. My headphones just died. Frig! My headphones just died. What shall I do? What the heck? That looks amazing. Dude, this game, what the heck? Dude. Oh my gosh, that's probably super good for you guys. Alright. Let's go, guys. Alright, so where's the middle point? Shoot, shoot, shoot. Dang nabbit, we had crits. But I got some people. I got 2 people, guys. I got 2 people. Our KD is better. Oh my goodness. Guys, we are just wrecking them. We probably shouldn't take the defense. We are just wrecking them, guys. Okay. Alright, let's go. Wrong way. Again, I always go. And I never get up the right way. Never know when I'm going to despise, guys. Never doubt how. Well, it's about. Holy cow, there's still a pyro up there. I always get killed with that pyro. This game is sick. Alright, let's go again. Wow, okay. My phone. Once again, beeping randomly. Okay. Of course I can kill him. And then I have to wait 15 seconds. This is copyright, isn't it? Alright, let's go. Okay, whoa, watch this, guys. There's no way he can burn. Okay, how? How did he burn? I had 50 health. Ow. Frick yes, I wanna kick him. Kick anyone who wants to get kicked. It's what you do. Alright. First to guys. You guys made it a little late. Oh my gosh. Guys. Guys. How amazing is that? I mean, that's pretty cool one, but I kind of like King of the Hill. So let's play some King of the Hill. Yeah, let's go. And we'll hope to see you guys when the searching stops, but counting on the software, like the audio software that I have, not terribly great. I have Audacity. I mean, it's actually really good. I have it all around. I don't really know how to sing them. I don't know how to sing them at all. Yeah. So give me some tips on in the comments below, please. I need tips. I need tricks. I need tips and tricks with pick-flavor donuts, guys. I mean, who can deny donuts? Oh, guys, I'm trying to do the water bottle flip. This thing. We're gonna do metal flip. Oh my gosh, guys, I didn't even hit it. What the heck? I should probably be charging my headphones. That would be the smart thing to do, but USB Type-C. It is charging. Let's go this time. I'm going to hit it again. World record second. Oh. Whoa. Hey, I got one kill, guys. Oh gosh, guys, I remember this map. Oh, this map is annoying as frick. Okay, okay, wait, what's... Oh, I was moving. Isn't that kind of weird? They should probably fix that. Oh my gosh, that scared me. Alright, let's go sniper, guys. Let's go sniper. Let's go sniper. Oh my gosh. Jeez. Okay, I'm not being that either. Alright, let's go. Oh my gosh, they're taking it over quickly. You guys, sorry if I didn't do any commentations though, but you know, that was just some pretty epic stuff right there, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh yes, yes, there you go. Oh shoot, I hit the mic. That's how you get a kill. That is how you get a kill. Oh, computer thing. Chair wheel. Okay. I really want to buy a hat. Like, I just want to get like a Steam card, you know? Just buy a hat, maybe do 1 or 2 cases, opening them up for you guys, see what we get. Yeah, that would be pretty fun, wouldn't it? Oh my gosh, how? How? You know what? We need to go sniper. Yeah, boy. Did you hear him? Okay, I'm sorry I'm not doing much commentating. This is really, really hard. Okay. I knew it! I knew it. He's not dead though. He's not dead. Okay, now he's dead. Okay, how? sick kill, wasn't it, guys? What? Pretty sick kill, if I wanted to say so myself. Okay. 5, 4, 3. Overtime. If they can control it, if they can capture it in this amount of time, then they win it. And if it goes back down, we win. Well, that's going to do it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to smash that like button. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.